Now imagine earning money by using a brand new copy and paste method. This won't require any skills or experience. In fact, you won't need to put in any work at all. You can start immediately making money online today. Now, we're not just talking about small change or cents. We're going to be making literally hundreds of dollars with today's method, and that's what makes this method the best method among the rest of our methods. You can do this method unlimitedly. And the idea of today's method is very simple. All we need to do is make use of Bing articles and then simply copy and paste. And just like that, you can already make a lot of money. All you need is a mobile phone or a computer. And of course, you can do this both on your Android and iOS devices. This method is available worldwide. And again, it's 100% free. We're going to be walking you through this whole method step by step, so make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method, and make sure that you don't skip a part so that you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. First thing that we want you to do is go on google.com and then look up Bing, and then click on the first search result that comes up. From there, you're going to be brought to this page right here. Basically, this works just like Google. It is also a search engine just like Google, where you can just look up basically anything you'd like, just like you would on Google. Next, you're going to type in articles and then hit enter on that. As soon as you hit enter on that, Microsoft Bing will bring up some search results of just random articles, and you'll see at least 1,000. Really just like how Google works as well. So these are all the results based on what you looked up. Here are some examples of the search results. Just different random articles, since we didn't specify what type of articles we were looking for, so Bing just really gave us random articles. Now let's set that aside for now, because we actually want to show you another website which is called SEO Clerks, and to get to their website you just type in SEOclerks.com and that should take you to here. Now what this website does is that it basically pays you to write or create articles. Now don't worry, because you won't need to write or create any of your own articles from scratch. And if you want to know how to do that, then make sure that you keep watching. Anyway, we've had methods like this on this channel already, but then this is actually a brand new website that pays you to create an article, and we've recently just discovered this, and we also discovered that it pays so much more than our past website that pays you to do just exactly the same thing. So of course, we just had to share it. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know, so make sure that you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. Now again, you don't need any writing skills. You don't need to write any of our own articles, because you can easily copy and paste, and like we said earlier, we're going to teach you how to do so. This is such a great opportunity and great website, and not a lot of people know about this method yet, since it is still relatively new, so it's basically a big secret. As you can see, people are getting paid $85, $50, $125, and even $500. Now that is so much money getting paid out every single day, and that's a lot of opportunities, and you can do as much as you'd like in a day, by the way. So let's say you can earn $500 every single day, and all you need is to press a few buttons, click a few stuff, copy and paste a few words, That's literally it. So we're going to show you how to sign up for this in a bit, but for now, let's move on to the next website first. So next website is going to be Conquer, and to get to the website, you can just type in conquer.io. Now that is spelled with a K and not C and a Q. That's KON and KER.io. And basically, when you look up content creation, you'll see all of the listings of writing articles, and people are getting paid a lot on this website too. And you can earn from here just by creating articles as well, just like in SEO Clerks. You can sign up on both SEO Clerks and Conquer for free. And if you actually combine the two, you could be making over $100 every single day, and all just by copy pasting, which is absolutely insane. Now the thing is, Conquer doesn't pay out as much as SEO Clerks does, but as I said earlier, if you combine the two, you are literally going to be unstoppable. Now, go back to Bing, and then we want you to click on the little dots on the upper left part and select news, and right away you're going to see all of the news articles on Bing. Every single news there is. You don't even need to go anywhere else because all you need is right here. But moving on though, we want you to go on another website again, which is called Ezine Articles, and it's spelled EZINE and then articles.com. And now this website actually contains a lot of news articles that are completely free. Now can you imagine that? These are copyright free articles with topics from literally A to Z that you can use for anything, anywhere, anyone can use, and it's absolutely insane. So just scroll down a little here, and let's say that you want to submit an article on business maybe. So let's select business right here. Then it will lead you to this page wherein you will see all of the businesses related articles right here. Then you can just choose from any of these business related articles, right? And you can sell them on both websites, both SEO and conquer.com.io that we just showed you earlier. Now, of course, since these articles are copyright free, it just means that it's overused, and a lot of people have probably already used these articles, and people don't want to have the same article as everyone else, correct? So now we're going to show you the ultimate way to get away from everyone else using the same exact articles and probably not even selling anymore, by getting a copyright free article and making it your own in just a push of a button. Now if you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. So for example, we're going to choose this article right here, okay? Then it'll take you to the whole article, right? Now you're going to want to copy all of your favorite parts of the article, or just copy the entire thing, it doesn't matter. And then go on prepostseo.com, and boom, this is where you should find yourself. Now as you can see, empowering over 95 free online tools. With over 95 online tools, Pre-Post SEO helping millions of webmasters, students, teachers, and SEO experts every single month. You can choose article rewriter right here. As you can see, there's like a paraphrasing tool, but that's not what we want. We want to click on the article rewriter because that is exactly what we're looking for. Then it will take you to this. So to use this article rewriter, please copy and paste text in the input box below, or select a file to upload. So you can either just copy paste or download a file. You can do either of the two. And then click on the rewrite article button. So you'll see the two boxes, and all you need to do is paste what you copied or upload what you downloaded under the original content box, and then hit on rewrite article, and boom, that will immediately rewrite the whole article for you in a snap. You can copy the new version of the article and go ahead and submit it on news and get articles from there also, and have it rewritten so you can also get articles from Bing, right? And it will still be just like your own. So what are you waiting for? Start this method right now and earn money like you've never earned before. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.